What's going on, guys? I'm here with Diego at the 2023 SEMA show, and we are checking out his 3500 Ram here. Diego, tell me a little bit more about the truck, man. What all have you done to it, and yeah, what lights are on it?
Well, I'm running a XKGLOW, obviously, their rock lights. I'm running their pods, a 21-inch light bar, and their new SAR system up on top. It's paired with bushwhacker fenders from Real Truck, Fusion bumpers, a Overkill Fab grill, along with Fury tires, American Force wheels, True Spike lug nuts, and it's also paired with amp steps with next level mats. It's on a 12-inch to 15-inch suspension from Bulletproof Suspension, powder coated red, candy apple red from Prismatic Powders.
Awesome, man. And then I know you touched on some of the lights. You got the SAR system. What are your first thoughts? Have you got to take it out and play with it at all?
Just in my neighborhood, let's just say that it could be the darkest day in the world and it'll bring the light to your life.
And it can do that 360 degrees, whichever way you want, without having to turn the truck. But so in our XKchrome, you know, full color change, what would be your favorite feature, or you got any favorites from that?
As far as the functionality, the simplicity of the system, easy to work with for even the average guy using it. My kids and most kids enjoy it just as much as I do because it has different themes for different holidays.
There you go. Yeah, don't we all, man? So, all right, again with Diego here at SEMA, showing off his sweet 3500. I appreciate your time, man.
Thank you so much.